Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope you all are resonating with the readings. And last week, a lot of people had said the readings were really good. So I keep trying from time to time different ways of readings. Today is not pick a card, but a generalized reading. Before we start the readings, I want to give you all a tip first. Today in the morning, if you can have a bath with some Epsom salt, and if you don't have Epsom salt, just a rock salt. When you're having your bath, when you pour the water on you, just say everything, every energy, every unwanted energy which no longer belongs to me is leaving my body and going away for good. Because of the full moon and all going on, the energies have been very heavy for many people. 2 3 of my students have been feeling a lot of lethargy and sickness, so this is a general tip for all of you. Now let's see what these three cards have come in a reading for you all today. The Fool card, Queen of Cups, and the Three of Wands. Actually, it's a beautiful combination if you take it as a combo. I feel something different you'll be doing today, because this is not the way our Rider White card looks. Here it's basically she's leaning on to the cliff and she knows that if she falls, then she knows that she has a backup, she or he has a backup. So you will look towards a prominent better tomorrow. Maybe you will plan, or you will take up some projects, or you will do some business which will actually make you grow. So today your plan is towards growth. Your plan is towards the growth which will make your future secure and strong. And surely a day of growth, whatever you take up today, you will go to the next level. You will feel happy that things are moving forward and things are in your favor. So today wear the color white, and if possible, offer some white flowers to the goddess, and keep some white offerings, like some sweet which is white in color, and give it or donate it to the poor. I have kept some cards here, the Blessed Be cards. So let's see what is the general message that you will be given today. Okay, a blessing of protection. When I'm seeing this card, I just remember sometime back one of my student called me, and she said she's been chanting Kunjita Pada Saranam. Why don't you all also chant that today in the morning? Start your day with that. Maybe chant for 1 or 8 times, and you will feel that the day is going good and you are protected, and you are able to understand what is happening around you, and there is an awareness which is getting created. So have a blessed and a beautiful day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.